Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report chart appraisal on Tuesday the 16th of December with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to look at gold now as my final chart, and just to complete this whole sequence of charts that are moving against the dollar, we've got a rally on gold. Sharp move to the downside yesterday on gold, so I suppose questioned this this sequence of higher lows, but the 1186.10 low has remained intact. And it seems as though the new support comes in now at 1190.60, because we've had a decent rebound today as this dollar has started to weaken against pretty much all the FX, forex majors, and also silver as well. So there is a big move away from the dollar, and that has sort of manifested itself once again in a rally on gold. Now gold has got to now test that initial resistance at 1206.50, but you'd certainly say that the key resistance near term now are these sequence of lows and subsequent rebound high that sort of was arguably a breakdown level, which arguably again became a pullback on that rally. So that is now the breakdown resistance that will need to be breached on the upside if this rebound is set to continue. But it looks like for the first time in certainly a couple of days we've got more of a positive move, because this sort of drifting sequence of lower highs, lower lows, although obviously it's still in place because of that sharp move to the downside we saw yesterday, certainly the rebound that we've seen, which has added over $10 to the gold price today, and also taken it back above 1200 being a key pivot level through the last few weeks on gold. It just suggests that this is a fairly decent reaction to obviously yesterday's price weakness. Technically speaking, you could argue that yesterday was almost a Marabuzu there or thereabouts. So it had a high-low range of, wow, actually a pretty strong one, a high-low range of $33. So if you take that as a Marabuzu line, which is halfway through that candlestick pattern, that's around about 1650. So 1650 added onto the low at 1190 is 1206. So again, that sort of adds to that resistance that you've got around about that 1206.50 mark. So that is actually pretty much the Marabuzu line of yesterday's candle. So that's a double reason why that is a resistance level that needs to be broken. And if you see gold closing above that resistance today, that is theoretically a short-term positive signal, because it's reclaimed half of that big sell-off. So watch out for that today. But certainly the reaction initially has been gold strength, and it has been a positive reaction to yesterday's selling. But we'll see how this one goes. But certainly at the moment, gold is looking on the up. Okay, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.